So that shot almost made it to the green. We're still in a par 5 though. Little pitch shot ahead of us. So what you can't see in the video is about where that shadow ends. You can kind of see it. It's a nice ridge that breaks pretty good left to right toward the pin back there. Okay, so what we did was we brought 2 different clubs. So Dave, tell us what clubs you grabbed.
So I grabbed a 58.
Okay.
To kind of lob it up in the air and throw it farther back there.
Okay.
Spin it a little bit more. And I brought a pitching wedge to hit one a little lower and run it, get it on the ground quicker and run it back towards the pin.
So if we're still in the match play situation, nerves might be playing a factor in here right now.
Right.
And I don't know about you, but for me, a high lofted wedge with my nerves, something about that just gives me anxiety.
Right.
Right? So maybe if we're in that spot where we're 1 up, we're a little nervous.
Yeah.
We might go with the pitching wedge.
Yes.
Or just honestly, whatever your first instinct is. I would probably go with the pitching wedge just because, let's say you don't hit that wedge far enough.
Yeah.
It's going to stay on the top of that hill. Pitching wedge is most likely you'd have to hit a pretty bad shot for it to not roll down that hill.
Yeah, I would hit a pitching wedge. I like just so I can run it, get it on the ground and run it.
Just because we have a mile of green to work with, right?
So I'll hit that first.
So let's see that first. I just like that with our nerves, and seems like a higher probability shot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Great shot. Look at that. We got about a 6-footer for birdie.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So if I would have told you to grab 2 clubs, would you still have done that, or would you just automatically bring your 58 just because you're this close?
Now with this shot, I would have hit the pitching wedge and ran it back there.
Okay, let's just hit the 58 for fun, just to see the difference and see if I sold you on the pitching wedge bump and run. So what are we gonna do differently in our stance? We talked about ball position, flighting the ball, which you really don't have to. That one's built to go high, but so what are you gonna do in this shot?
I'm just gonna move it a little farther up in my stance. I'm not gonna really open the club face anymore. Just move it up in my stance a little bit.
Okay. Fly it over the hill.
Yeah. Or maybe even probably just over it. Not quite far enough.
Yeah, so you just had a little too much spin, didn't quite fly it as far, and so
Still got down there.
It still got down there, but not the kind of roll we were looking for, right?
No.
With the pitching wedge. Okay, awesome. Let's go putt.